Don't do the hoovering.
22, 50, 23, 250.
Let me hold Teddy.
It's alright,
Go and hold Teddy.
23, 750. 4, 750.
Oh, the minute she has bunny, she's
Let me hold that while you just move the car.
No, he got me.
Oh, mate.
No.
Yeah, let him have it, then it's fine.
Oh, am I going to get one time?
Come here, Mum.
Oh, study.
How many points have you if your score is low?
No.
Oh, that looks better. It does look much better, doesn't it?
You want to do it again? Yeah.
Oh yes, put the plug.
What is Australia's most important crop? Sugar, pineapple,
Wait.
Sheep. Oh, put it on your head. 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 That's a good girl. Put it on your head. Yes, put it on your head. No, very good. Oh, very good. On again.
Put it on your head so Uncle Matt can see, and he can take a photograph of you.
Oh, very good. Ha 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 ha. Oh dear, mind the flowers.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! You were running over me. Wow, you've gone too far with your wire. Oh yes, go and have a look at it. Did you see it come out there and have a look at the clock? Cuckoo! 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 Cuckoo!
Yes.
Yes. Oh! Oh, you are a very good hooverer. Yes. You can put it away now. You can put the wire away. Take the plug out. Do this, watch it. Do this. Put it away. Wind it up. What? Yes, put it away. It's finished now. You've done the hoovering. No? Oh, you've got some more to do. Oh, it's fallen off. Your plug's fallen out. Your plug's fallen out. It won't go. No, that's better. Push. Push. Oh, that's better. Yes? Oh dear. Put it on the glass. Put it on the mirror. Oh dear. Put it on the mirror, that's right. That's right, it'll stay on there. Spit on it first. Give it a little spit. And push. Stick it on the glass. Stick it on the mirror. Yes, that's right. Push. 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 Oh, very good. Yes, it's all right now. Yes, that's going. Brrr, bzz, bzz. I think you've finished now. You can put it to bed now. You've finished hoovering. Wind it up. Wind it up. Yes. Oh, it's fallen off again.
Spit on it. Spit on it.
Spit on it. Let me see. Anna.
Turn round and show
Anna.
Uncle Mac how you spit on it.
Anna. Show me how you spit on it. Anna.
Look, turn round and show Uncle Mac how you spit on it. Turn round, show him. Spit on it. No, turn round that way and show Uncle Mac. Now spit on it.
Yes, now it'll stick. Go and try it.